Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be diving into the SWAYAM platform. If you're a mentor or a facilitator, you know how important it is to access your mentee list and their information. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of finding and navigating your mentee data on SWAYAM. Let's get started. For the first step, you need to log on to the SWAYAM portal. The website is swayam.gov.in. I'll click on the sign in or the register button. Once you click in, you could enter your username and password or you could sign in with your social account. Currently, I'll be signing in with Google. So you see that now I have been logged in with my official account, which is vipinkumar@gncasc.org. Next, you need to click on your profile and under that you have the first option, My Courses. Select My Courses. Here you can access all the ongoing courses for which you have registered. So right now I'll be checking the mentee list for this course, the Science of Happiness and Well-being. You have three options below. Click on Go to Course. Here we have the details about the course. On the top you have menus. On the menu list you can select the mentee list. Once you click on the mentee list, you will get a table of data which says mentee details. We have name, email IDs, roll numbers, mobile numbers. I can scroll it down all the way and I can see that there are 56 mentees under my list. And you can shift it to the right to see the assignments which they have submitted. So here I have a tick under against roll number 218, which means that he or she has submitted assignment number 2. You can also, for better detailing, you can download the CSV file. Click on download CSV, proceed, and I'll save it here. Let's open the Excel file and see what data do we have here. So here you have all the details about the student, beginning with the name, email IDs, roll numbers, mobile numbers, whether they have submitted their weekly assignments or no. And based on this, you can take a call and take follow up with the students. So hope this tutorial video helps you in accessing the mentee list. Share this video with all the mentors and facilitators of SWAYAM portal. Thank you so much for watching till here.